Virtualization of BNG is a relatively new concept. Some of the most frequently asked questions are answered in this video. If you are looking for an answer to a specific question, see the description for the list of questions and their timestamps. FAQ 1. Is virtual BNG as stable as a conventional BNG? A quick answer is yes. Here is how it is achieved. Virtual BNG system from vBNG passes through the same set of test procedures that a legacy BNG would go through. It meets the quality criteria and the uptime requirements of telecom-grade equipment. This is in addition to the component-level testing of the individual VNFs. This is a well-defined testing process that ensures individual components' quality well before they are integrated into the vBNG system. It is interesting to note that software components doing their job in a BNG system is not a new concept. The bulk of the control plane functions in a conventional BNG system have been performed by software components. Network switches and routers follow the same approach. It is the time-tested set of testing processes that are followed by the vendors is what helps these software components to attain the quality levels set forth by the industry. While the industry embraces the flexibility and extendability of the virtualized BNG concept, quality assurance techniques have also evolved. This ensures that the system continues to provide the stability required by mission-critical broadband networks. vBNG Virtual BNG is one of the first in the market to offer this level of stability, and vBNG Networks is committed to it. FAQ 2. Can virtual BNG handle as much network traffic subscribers as done by a conventional BNG? Virtual BNG concept gained its momentum for its potential to increase capacity on demand. Scalability is still fundamental to its design. Automation makes it easier for it to expand with minimal manual intervention. vBNG Virtual BNG goes a step further and ensures that more network throughput capacity is packed into each hardware compute node and handles a given subscriber base with a minimum number of compute nodes. For clarity, the answer to this question is yes, vBNG Virtual BNG can replace a conventional BNG in terms of network throughput capacity and connected subscriber count. FAQ 3. Is the hardware platform for virtual BNG as reliable as a conventional, chassis-based BNG appliance? This question requires a rather long answer. There is a fundamental difference between conventional BNG and virtual BNG in how the required hardware reliability is achieved. While each component in conventional BNG is engineered for a very high reliability factor, this obviously drives up the overall cost of the BNG, which is traditionally borne by the service provider. vBNG Virtual BNG focuses on software-based reliability engineering with enough safety margin. Moreover, this is more CAPEX-friendly. This approach taken by vBNG Virtual BNG provides broadband service providers with the freedom of choice on compute hardware. They can either buy minimum number of high-capacity, telecom-grade network appliance hardware or buy many inexpensive off-the-shelf COTS hardware to build capacity incrementally. This gives operators the freedom to choose the one that best suits their budget and growth plans. FAQ 4. Does virtual BNG consume more power than a conventional BNG? At vBNG Networks, we are environmentally conscious, and we ensure that the energy consumption figures of our systems are as low as engineering allows us to achieve. During its operation, vBNG Virtual BNG steps up its energy consumption only as the system is loaded. When traffic increases to the next level or connected subscriber count increases in leaps, it steps up the energy consumption to cater to the increased load. In short, energy consumption of vBNG Virtual BNG increases only in steps with network load and connected subscriber count. And its energy consumption figures are at par or lower than conventional BNG systems handling comparable load. Thanks for watching.